In this video, let's explore the power and square root functions in Excel. You'll learn how to use these functions to perform exponentiation and find square roots of numbers easily. We will master exponents and square roots in Excel. Let's start with the power function. The power function in Excel allows you to calculate any number raised to any power. The syntax for the power function is equals POWER, open parenthesis, number, comma, power, close parenthesis. This function returns the result of a number raised to a power. The number is the base number, and the power is the exponent to which you want to raise the number. Here are a couple of examples illustrating the use of the power function. First, to square a number, let's say 5, you would use the formula equals POWER, open parenthesis, 5, 2, close parenthesis, which equals 25. Next, to cube a number, let's say 3, you would use the formula equals POWER, open parenthesis, 3, 3, close parenthesis, which equals 27. Here is a practical example of how the power function can be used in an Excel worksheet. In column A, you have the base number, and in column B, you have the power to which you want to raise that number. Column C contains the formula, and column D displays the result. For example, in row 2, the formula is equals POWER, open parenthesis, A2, B2, close parenthesis, which calculates 4 to the power of 3, resulting in 64. Similarly, in row 3, the formula is equals POWER, open parenthesis, A3, B3, close parenthesis, which calculates 7 to the power of 2, resulting in 49. Now let's move on to the square root function. The square root function in Excel allows you to find the square root of a given number. The syntax for the square root function is equals SQRT, open parenthesis, number, close parenthesis. The function returns the positive square root of a given number. Keep in mind that if you provide a negative number, Excel will return an error. Here are a couple of examples to illustrate the use of the square root function. First, to find the square root of a perfect square like 64, you would use the formula equals SQRT, open parenthesis, 64, close parenthesis, which equals 8. Next, to find the square root of a number that results in a decimal like 50, you would use the formula equals SQRT, open parenthesis, 50, close parenthesis, which equals approximately 7.07. Here is a practical example of how the square root function can be used in an Excel worksheet. Column A contains the numbers for which you want to calculate the square root. Column B contains the formula, and column C displays the result. For example, in row 2, the formula is equals SQRT, open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis, which calculates the square root of 81, resulting in 9. Similarly, in row 3, the formula is equals SQRT, open parenthesis, A3, close parenthesis, which calculates the square root of 144, resulting in 12. Finally, the square root of 25 is 5. To summarize, the power function allows you to calculate exponents and raise numbers to any power using the syntax equals POWER, open parenthesis, number, power, close parenthesis. And the square root function allows you to find square roots of positive numbers using the syntax equals SQRT, open parenthesis, number, close parenthesis. With these functions, you can easily perform mathematical calculations in Excel. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.